What's up, guys? Good morning. It's Venturous Deem here, out here doing some shad fishing today on the Sacramento River with my buddy Anton. So just lost my first fish, had it right by the boat. Didn't even get to do the intro, just tossed my line out. Ooh, fish on, fish on. Nope, missed it. Ooh, yeah. All right, guys, like 5 minutes in, I already got first fish on. Ooh, heck yeah. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Go right here. Oh. Oh, he came off. No. Dang it. Well, all right, guys, lost the first fish. Let's see if we can catch some more. All right, guys, one fish in the cooler. Missed a few bites, but we're getting them. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's a good one. Yup. Nice. Bye, thank you. That's a bigger one. That looks pretty fat, might be a female. All right, guys, Anton hooked up. Don't horse him. Oh, he's kind of small. Oh, wait, ooh, no. You got, hold on. You got your other line. А тебя там что-нибудь есть? Oh, double. We are doubled up. Oh, yeah. Dude, we're tangled too. Yes. No. Just. Where's yours? It's still there. Oh, that's a big one. Is it still there? It's still there. That's a big one, dude. Oh, no. Yes. Oh, shit, that's a big one. Oh, damn. Damn, that's a big one. That one's on yours, huh? That's your grub from last year that you gave me.
Oh, yeah?
That's the grub you gave me last year. That was funny. Давай, блин. Тебе, мне, не знаю. Shit barely fits in the cooler. Holy crap. Oh shit, we gotta untangle this mess. Oh man, that was fun. Oh yeah. Ooh. I'm gonna try to bring him around on this side. I don't want to go. Ooh, dang. Pretty good one too. Whoa. Вот она. Dang. Whoa. Middle side. Oh, it's a striper. I hope it's a keeper, bien.
Striper будет сидеть, да?
No, it still can. It might be be small. All right, guys, got a striper. Let's see. Measure him up right now. Look at that, guys. Striper, nice. Looks kind of small. We'll measure him anyways. 16 3/4. Got a little striper while shad fishing. Let's go ahead and get a little release on him. 16 3/4. Woo. Just look, scoop it under this way. Stop, so like this. With your chin, you scoop under and easier that way. All right, guys, got another one. Pretty good. Look at that. Nice. All right, Anton hooking up again. Oh, that was tight. All right, guys, Anton hooking up again. See it. Oh yeah. Yes. Another fish in the boat. That's a good one too. Damn, guys. Anton's on fire over here. Another fish on. It's a good one. Sounds like a good one. Yup, nice. Look at that fish, guys. Look at that. All right, my turn. All right, and we're hooked up. Whoa, 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 where's he going? Watch out for the waves. Whoa. Nice, thank you. Damn, that one's chunky. Oh, nice, he spit the hook out. Look at that, guys. Woo! Alrighty, finally got another one. Wants to go under the bucket. Nice. Thank you.